This is the original 58mm Swiss Army knife flashlight, and this is the new Versa58 Pocket Flare. The coolest thing about the Versa58 system is how easy it is to install. You just remove the scales from your sack, line up these 4 holes with the 4 rivets, press down and slide it forward, and it snaps on. Let's just do a quick comparison. The sack flashlight has a push button LED that you have to press and hold to keep the light on. This one, you cycle through each mode. This is low beam, which is 5 lumens. Let's just compare that to here. So probably twice the brightness. Then this is high beam, which is 42 lumens. And then this is lamp mode, which has 3 LEDs across this lens. So the entire thing lights up. This also has momentary on, so if I hold the button for 2 seconds, it turns on high beam until I release it. And in any mode, let's say I'm in low beam and I don't want to cycle through the other modes, I can just hold the button for 2 seconds and it shuts off. The sack flashlight has a replaceable coin cell battery. I actually lost the cover for mine. The Pocket Flare is rechargeable. It has a USB-C port here with a dust plug. The Pocket Flare is water resistant. Combine the Pocket Flare with the Versa58 Pocket Clip and you just made your Swiss Army knife a lot more EDC friendly. If you want a matching set for your clip scale, we also have the V scale. Both of them can hold the toothpick or the tweezers. And a USB-C flash drive scale. To remove the scale, you just depress the lock bar here with your fingernail while you're pushing this way with your opposite thumb. And it pops right off. We also have a magnetic option, so you can attach Versa58 scales to your Swiss Army knife magnetically. The clip scale, V scale, and pin scale all come in machined titanium and the black anodized machined aluminum variants I showed previously. This light actually used to come on a bunch of different 58mm variants, but now it's only available on the signature light, and it seems like they're phasing that one out too. But that's okay, because with the Versa58 system, you can attach the scales to any 58mm variant you have, like the Rambler, the SD Classic, the Rally, and the Mini Champ. Now let's compare the thickness. This comes in at about 4.45, and this one comes in at about 7.85. So it's about 3.4 millimeters difference. Which one would you rather carry?